What's up, guys? It's Owen, aka Limb Reaper, back with another video. Thank you for clicking on this if you did click on it. Today we got the lift today, and we got this maple removal in this tight little small backyard. This lady is very particular. She doesn't want really anything drug across or through there or dropping on her stuff, so just figured we'd get the lift in here and just piece it out piece by piece. And I think we could actually zip line a lot of it straight down into here. At least we'll try to zip line some of it. I got some help coming today, but yeah, I was actually here like over a week ago, and I went up and made a few cuts, but then I got extremely sick. I threw up off the side of the bucket, so I had to reschedule it. So hopefully we'll be able to get this done today. But yeah, I'll see you guys up the tree. All right, guys, this is Brandon. He'll be joining us today. He might be running some video, but see how we might be able to bust this out real quick, or we might run some complications, but we'll see. Brando, see you up the tree. All right, we're gonna do a little tester here just to see how this thing's going. One sec. Oh yeah. Hey, you just set her down there. Yeah, just let that butt down. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, helped you out. Or usually you do your face cut first. Same branch. I thought that one would clear it. All good though. Perfect. Kind of slows it down for you. All right, so this one, let's see if I can get it. I got tip tied the whole branch, not just the wood, so we'll see how that swings down. If it does good, we might just do more like that. Tip tied meaning I have it tied off on the tips up there instead of at the base, so it doesn't just swing down and then out. It'll just kind of get carried out, hopefully, is the plan. Worked for the most part. I think I got a little more tip tie. I think that was kind of a little more mid tie. We'll get it. Yep. Just like that. I got 2 on, so I'll cut one, and then it'll hang, and then I'll cut the other, and then they'll probably come. They're kind of on this back side, so I might have to help them out after, but we'll see. Yeah, some slack. Here comes one. The other one's following. Yep. All right, we are taking this top, just rigging it out conventionally, negative rig. All right, here we go. Yeah, baby. Yeah. That one was perfect. There you go. He's off to dump the first load. I gotta run home. I only live a few blocks away to grab something, but we got most of the tree in that trailer.
And then we walk her in. Yep. All good.
All right, well, down to our last ones here. We've just been rigging this stuff out over the house, just straight back to the main spar. Got Brando down there. Let's get her to her. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. So now we're doing some negative rigging on this thing. And if you know, I could probably put my sling right here. First off, I'm rigging off of a sling right now. They're rated for quite a bit of pounds. You could do some rigging on it, but not some crazy heavy rigging. I'm only rigging some of the smaller wood off this, but once I get past, after I get done showing you this, I'm not going to rig any more off the sling because it'll probably be too heavy. But if you're ever to a point where you don't really have too smooth of a surface and you don't want the thing to be slipping up and down, you know, you could always cut yourself some notches for where you're going to be putting your sling. basically do little face cuts on each side. That way your sling has, you know, a little groove to sit in and it's not going to slide out once you make that cut. You know? So then I'll make my face cut right here. When you're negative rigging, you know, it's way easier, and you should put your face cut in before you hook up. What up? Hold up. Ready? Sure your ropes are all good. Just like that. And now I'll probably either get a block to do the rest or just chunk the rest down. So I don't want to put too much weight on this. But yeah. Oh yeah. Starting to get heavy. Oh, we got her down safely. Nothing broken. Just some finer cleanup now. You know, do some raking, some blowing. But yeah, not too bad. Mostly wood there at the end, honestly. All loaded by hand. Well, thanks for the help, Brando.
Oh yeah, dude, no problem, brother.
Good shit. So yeah, that's another video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Peace out.